Alright YouTube, so before this video even starts, I'm just gonna go ahead and let you know that yes, my car looks different right now, but I'm currently uploading the video from 2 months ago on January 26th. That's whenever I took place on getting my mufflers deleted, and it's currently March 15th. So enjoy the video. It's my first video back, so let's get it. Hope you guys enjoy. What's up guys? This is my 2015 Corvette Z51 Stingray 3LT. I'm currently in the muffler shop about to get my mufflers cut off, and it should sound pretty good. I'm hoping that it sounds good. I've watched a couple videos, and from the videos, you know, it sounds like it's gonna sound pretty mean. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna show you guys what it sounds like stock, because this is a stock Z51. As you can see, stock. So I'm gonna get ready to turn it on. Give you guys a little bit more of a look. Oh, they do charge good prices, so if you're located around Dallas, Texas, come to Oak Cliff and get right. All right, let's get it. All right, guys, so let me show y'all what it sounds like real quick. Can it now work? Can it now work? Working hard. Wires coming on the ground. He gonna get me right though. Alright guys, so Corvette is finished. It's ready. I'm about to get ready to turn it on, and we're gonna see what it sounds like. Come back over here.
I saw that truck. They see my truck. I saw that truck to the guy. I saw it to you. I don't know.
Alright guys, so that video was taken on January 26th, and currently it is March 15th, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a remote start of the car, what it sounds like right now. Still has the same muffler delete, so I'm gonna give you guys a little start up. That's what it sounds like, and right now I'm gonna give you guys a little POV drive, and I'm currently gonna go to the Winco, so I'm gonna let you guys hear it from inside. All right. Alright guys, so right now we're about to get some flybys up and down the street. Then we're gonna go from an inside POV video. So now it's currently nighttime, and I'm gonna give you guys a little nighttime POV of what it sounds like inside the car, okay? Sounds like a beast, man. This is the Z51 performance package. So, you know, it still has certain things that the base model does not have. But you know, that's a motorcycle right there. But yeah, that's a video for another time, or a topic for another time. But right now I'm on the way to the grocery store, so I'm gonna let you guys get a little POV of me going to the grocery store. As you can see the speed of how fast I'm going on the windshield. You can change what that looks like as well. But like I said, that's for another video. Right now I got it in sport mode. As you can see, I turn on the lights. You can see a little bit more better what it looks like inside. But we are right now just going to Winco under a bridge. I need to get a police radar. It's not really a lot of police in Denton that I'm worried about, because nothing really goes on over here. But it sounds like a beast. I normally don't drive in sport mode. I drive in eco mode, you know, saves you gas and stuff. This thing still eats gas like crazy, but it's all good, man. I'm usually at the gas station like every 4 days, so it's not really that bad. And the gas prices aren't too high right now at the moment, so we good. Nighttime POV, man. As far as, you know, hearing it and stuff like that. Hopefully y'all can hear it pretty good. I know it's pretty loud. Especially sometimes videos don't do a lot of justice, but right now, man, when you're inside this car, it sounds like a straight beast, man. It sounds so good. I'm planning on getting my cats cut off. And whenever I do get my cats cut off, I'm gonna show you guys what that sounds like too. And I've saw a couple videos, and man, I already know it's gonna sound so crazy whenever I get the cats cut off. With the muffler delete alone, you can hear pops. I don't know if y'all can hear that. Woo! Woo! Boy, I ain't never heard that pop before. I just got a little pop right now. That thing was crazy. That thing said, boom! Then when you're slowing down, you can hear the popping. It's just so like, it's so satisfying hearing that sound, man. This car is definitely, I can tell you, it's definitely a lot louder than what it was whenever I had it stock. If you don't want it to be so loud, I recommend getting a muffler delete. Now if you want them cats cut off, and it's gonna sound like a straight beast. I'm just letting you know that right now. It's gonna sound like a straight beast. But yeah, pulling up to Winco right now. As you can see, Some light, man. Some light. This is my little grocery getter, man. It's so good. I love this car. Honestly, I wouldn't have chose any other car but this car. Like, if you can afford it, then go ahead and get it, man. It's very reliable. It's so smooth, even when you're driving fast. And overall, it's just, to me, it's a 10 out of 10 car, man. I couldn't have wanted anything better than my C7 Z51, man. Park real quick. There we go. All right, guys. So right now I'm about to go back in. Let me turn the lights on real quick. Right now I'm about to go inside. That was my POV video for the last part. And, you know, if you guys did like the video, like, subscribe, stay tuned, because I know this is my first video back, but I am going to be making a lot more videos because I'm trying to get back active on YouTube. Finally, you know, feeling better, feeling more motivated to actually go and record some videos and just do videos in general. I'm feeling a lot better now, man. So if you did like the video, please like, subscribe, stay tuned, because I am gonna get those cats cut soon, and Texas 2K coming tomorrow. And this video was late. So just keep that in mind, that it looks different now than what it did whenever I was getting my cats cut off. I just wasn't really motivated to actually make the YouTube video at the time. But now we back and better, man. So, like I said, if you did like the video, like, subscribe, stay tuned.